the world did you do that? Yo! What's up? Another day at the sandbox. Yo, check this out. We got these things all dull. We call this the old lady with no teeth. They're coming to fix that. Even though that is like that, unbelievable. I was able to get a lot done in 4.5 hours. I think I'll be able to clear this. I would have been able to clear it yesterday, but I had no teeth on my motor, so I'll see you on the next progress report, and I'm gonna keep you posted how those things are changed, and hopefully we don't have any issues. But other than that, I gotta get to it, guys. I gotta get that paper, I gotta get that money, so let's go. I'm not getting near that side there again until we demo that fence by hand. Get away. It's just getting everywhere. Oh shit. We did it. Success. Got the wires out. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We can't do nothing. La Viejita has no teeth, and I can mulch. The Trimble has no battery, so we're waiting for it to charge. The mount is too wet, so we can flip screen. So we're gonna put some mirrors on the UTV that we bought the other day. Check it out. Oh yeah, you can see yourself in it. What'd you do with it?
My hammer.
You lost it?
No, I kind of dropped the thing, so it fell and I got it stuck and now I can't take it out.
What? Hey.
Thanks.
Where is it?
Oh, I don't know what you guys are talking about, but I got that stuck.
No, it's supposed to go in there anyway.
No.
What'd you do?
I was trying to put it back in.
Why would you even touch anything?
I dropped it by accident.
You dropped what, this?
No, the thing that was in it.
Oh my.
Here, you take it out. Or you take it out.
No, because then he's going to come back and it's my fault. I'm like, what are you doing?
Bro, someone dropped the thing that was in here and tried to put it back in and it got stuck.
No, you didn't.
And it only has it on one hole.
What the hell did you do?
The dogs did it.
Are you kidding me?
I wish I would.
How in the world did you do that?
I just pushed it in and got stuck.
But did you force it in?
No, I literally pushed it in and I couldn't get it out. crazy. Maybe just hammer it in.
Cause you put it in the wrong way, my dog.
How's there easy and how's there right and wrong way?
There you go.
Problem solution.
Go test them out. Stay in place. They, you know, I thought maybe when it bounced and moved around, now they're pretty good. They're solid. How many teeth on you? Let me see. Open your mouth.
Oh, I got these. These aren't really for cutting. These are
mulching.
Yeah, but they're not gonna give you like a chip. They're
Oh.
more. They're well, I call them just a knuckle. So what they're gonna do is they're gonna come down and just kind of pulverize and splinter instead of really cut.
So that's
chip.
the way they are?
That's the way these are. I'm sure we can get a set of like actual like
Mulching.
like cutting teeth. But these ones aren't really going to cut. They're more for like pulverizing, splinterizing, stuff like that. But like
So what do you think I need for next door? See those little trees like that? And I need to mulch them. But I'm not getting that mulch effect. I'm getting like really big trunks
Yeah,
everywhere.
that's kind of what that's going to do. Like I said, that doesn't really cut. It's just going to hit, and then whatever it hits, it either just move it out of the way or just kind of blow it up a little bit. Just like pure impact. I mean, when they're brand new, they do have a slight edge to them, but they're not really going to cut like an actual chip tooth. So I mean, unfortunately, that's kind of doing what those teeth are made to do.
Okay.
If you're looking for something different, we could probably get with a salesman and see about getting another set of teeth for actually cutting.
Yeah, so for mulching.
Yeah.
What I'll do then, I'll stump with this, and then whatever's left, if you get me the other teeth, I'll just mulch it on the floor. Which I've seen people that do that. They do a couple of passes.
Yeah.
Because if not, I'm gonna have an enormous amount of debris there.
Oh yeah.
And it's not gonna decompose.
Yeah, like I said, that's doing what
What
these
it's
teeth are
supposed to
made.
be doing.
Yeah, what it's made to do with these teeth. Yeah.
All right, cool,
Like I
man.
said, all right,
Thank you,
let
sir.
me head back.
All right, thank you.
All right, go.
All right, then we're gonna stump them then. We're gonna beat them. I'll get back to it. All right, let's go. Yo, progress report. It's been a challenge today. Back here, I keep on getting tangled with some kind of cattle fence or something. It's just a lot of wires, as you can see in the videos. But I mean, we're making pretty good progress. But check this out. Look at the size of that tree that is just laying there. It's pretty rotten though. Yeah, clearing land is a stress reliever, but it's hard work, okay? I still gotta do a little bit, maybe like another day. I think we're pretty much done with this. What I could do with the mulcher. After that, I gotta come in with a bulldozer and knock everything down that does, and a backhoe maybe. So, Mr. Ermers checking out. Hasta la vista, baby. Me voy.